Cause I'm a black belt when I'm beating up on myself, but I'm an expert at giving love to somebody else. Hey guys, welcome to Marla's World. If you are new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. If you don't already know, my name is Marla, and I am, what am I don't know. I'm everything God says I am, okay? Because I don't know what to say right now, and I'm running out of words because I haven't done YouTube in, I feel like, forever. It's been a while since I've actually sat down and did a video. Yeah, and so that's the reason why I'm here. I'm here to tell you why, because I just feel like I've been just so busy and caught up with like a lot of things, and so I kind of just wanted to give a life update, let you guys know I'm still here. I'm just a little busy, and so yeah, so here I am with just a little life update to let you guys know how I'm doing and what I've been doing and what to expect, and yeah, just everything in between. As of right now, I'm still working full-time. I actually got another job, if you don't already know that. If you're not on my Facebook, or if you're not connected to me like on a personal level, you know what I'm talking about, like. But yeah, I got a new job as a senior. It's a senior position. But yeah, and I am very excited about it. It is still in the same industry as I was working before, and I'm honestly like super proud of just everything that I've been able to accomplish. And I don't talk about it a lot, but like honestly, I feel like I've accomplished a whole lot, especially like given everything that like I've been through, and like, you know, just even coming up from Jamaica and just going straight to school and doing school straight for a few years, and you know, all that stuff. Like I literally did school from 2013 in January, and I finished with my master's in 2019 May. So I don't know how many years that is, but that sure was a lot, and that was a lot. And here I am again. I am also back in school, so that's why I'm giving you an update, just to let you guys know. I already talked about this in another video, but this semester it's a little bit more challenging, mainly because I have classes online. But here's the thing, I have a Elron class, what is like learning, I don't remember, but it's like a online class, right? But you have to actually like be online at a specific time. So on Thursdays I have class from like at 5:30 p.m. to like 8:12, and I have to actually like visually be there, and it's like, it's pretty annoying if I'm being honest. Like it's a federal taxes class, and I don't really like it. I probably wouldn't have taken federal taxes, but I wanted to take as much classes as I could at the community college level. That way I can actually get it for less, especially since I am paying for everything out of pocket. And listen, it's a lot of money. Like I have to be coming up with like all that money by myself. Like who said I wanted to be grown, you know, like. But anyways, I'm grateful that I'm actually even in a position to be able to pay for it, because not a lot of people can actually do that. Well, this is America too, so if you can't afford college, like there's tons of opportunities out there, grants and loans and whatever you need. But right now I'm actually trying to pay off my student loans, so therefore I'm not trying to take out any more loans. And I feel like I'm also all over the place, so you guys forgive me. This is how I talk to people on a regular, so this is how I'm talking to you guys, and it kind of feels weird, like I'm just babbling, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, can you relate? Let me know in the comments. But anyways, I'm working a new job, school, what else? I'm trying to do more self-care stuff. One of the main things that I'm working on right now, honestly, I'm trying to drink my water. I'm terrible at this, but I know I need to. So I'm trying to do that like on a daily, like at least have a few bottles, but it's like so hard, but I'm trying. So pray for me. And also I'm just trying to take care of my two main things that I'm trying to do is like take care of my hair and take care of my face. I don't know if you can see, but like because I'm wearing a little makeup, so it's kind of hidden, but I'll probably insert a picture or something. But my face is getting a lot better. One of the main things I'm using right now is the vitamin C serum. I'll put the on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about, and it's very helpful. Like it's one of the main things that helping me right now, so I'm so grateful for that. And then my hair, I'm using a hair growth oil, and it's actually helping my dandruff. Listen guys, I have really bad dandruff, or I had, but then I started using this hair growth oil, and it's really good, and it's actually working so fast. It's actually even growing my mom's hair. So yeah, I'm grateful for that too, because listen, my hair is finally growing. Like my hair is purple, and you can already see it because like my root is all black right now, and then like it's growing a lot, so you can see the purple towards the back, but not like up front, you know what I'm saying? Those are the main things that I'm doing right now for self-care, and just taking care of my mental health, and you know, things like that. Avoiding negative things, and just putting myself in situations, or taking myself away from situations that could possibly like make me stressed or anything like that, because you always want to make sure you take care of your mental health. And if you're not, I do recommend you do so, because at the end of the day, if you're not mentally healthy and like physically healthy, like if you're not healthy like in all aspects, then it's harder for you to pour out and take care of somebody else. So you always want to make sure that you take care of yourself. One of the main things I always tell myself is that I deserve the love that I keep trying to give everyone else. Like it's something that I always say, and it's something that I always go by. It's probably in my Instagram bio, to be honest. But yeah, you always want to make sure you give yourself the love that you keep giving to other people, because I do find it's easier for you to beat up on yourself. And then what's her name, Demi Lovato, whatever, she has a song about this. Let me find the lyrics, because like I do feel like that's a really good song. It says, I'm just gonna read. It says, cause I'm a black belt when I'm beating up on myself, but I'm an expert at giving love to somebody else. It's so, you see what I'm saying? Like just those main parts. It says like you're an expert of just beating up on yourself. Like you always say, oh, why am I not getting off, or why did I mess up, or this, that, and the third. But when you think about it, if somebody else messed up, you're gonna be like, sorry about that, and you just encourage them to do better. So I feel like the same love that you give to other people, and the same motivation and encouragement, you need to give it to yourself. Not saying you should be a slacker or always procrastinate or anything like that, but you need to love yourself and not give love to yourself. You need to treat yourself nice. Okay, so that's one of the main things I am working on, loving myself. I mean, I do love myself. And another thing, spirituality. I am trying to be a better Christian. I mean, nobody's perfect, but like there are some aspects of myself and my life that like I'm not like 100% like pleased with, and I know I need to do better. I need to spend more time in the Word. And actually, when you do that, I feel like there's a part of self-care too, because when you do that, you actually learn a lot about yourself, and it makes you feel better inside. It's like counseling, kind of. I can't wait to get insurance so I can do counseling again, because I just want to talk to somebody so that they can listen to me. Yeah. But in the meantime, there's God. You know what I'm saying? It's also important to make sure your spiritual health and your spiritual mindset is like at a good place. You want to make sure you have a relationship with God, and not just like go to church. And I feel like that's where a lot of people, including myself, fall short in a sense, because like it's easier for you to go to church because you're encouraged and everyone else around you is worshiping and stuff, but I want to have like that deeper connection and spend more time with God. So that's something that I'm trying to, I need to come up with I need to either get a book, a devotional book where I'm like 100% committed. I feel like I also need an accountability partner, because they'll hold me accountable, and I'll be more inclined to actually do what I'm supposed to do. And at the same time, it's like nobody should have to like do that, but sometimes it helps, and I find that it helps me a lot. So it's just something that I need to do. So that's something I'm working on. So pray for me, guys, because I want to go higher and deeper, you know, all that. Isn't it so weird? Higher and deeper. But anyways, the next thing stating, I find it's kind of annoying. Actually, it's pretty annoying because it's like a lot of people, not people, a lot of men, like they just, well, people in general, I guess, they just are looking for different things, and like if you're not interested in something, then it's just kind of harder for you to actually do that, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, for example, like, and then again, like it's like, where do you meet someone? I don't know, like I don't really go anywhere. All I do is I go to church, and then I'll go out occasionally, like during the day, or run to the post office, or you know, like go to the leasing office, but like nothing exciting to actually meet someone. So it's kind of hard to say, oh yeah, I'm gonna meet someone. And then dating apps, terrible. Okay, they're terrible. It's like you go on there and then you talk to someone and first of all, you have to pay, and if you don't pay, then it's even worse for you. But then imagine like paying and going on there, and then you meet no one and you don't talk to anyone. Like this guy, I met him on the app, and it was just one of them. They were, I think they got a divorce, and I was like, okay, like I'm nothing against divorce or anything, but like I don't know, like he cheated, you know what I'm saying? So like I don't want to put myself in their situation. You're gonna feel like, oh yeah, I'm not doing something right, so you're gonna cheat on me. So like to me, that's a red flag, and I'm not trying to go in another marriage with lots of red flags or anything. So I'm just, you know, staying away. And then there was this other guy, and these are like a few weeks ago, months ago, whatever. But yeah, there was this other guy, but I saw I can't say that, never mind. But yeah, it's just very complicated. Yeah. And oh, divorce update, I'll let you know in a month. I'll probably do a story on it. Let me know if you want a story time on it or anything, and I got you. Okay, I got you, period. And yeah, I think that's what's going on in my life right now. Yeah, I have my goals that I'm working on. I probably didn't share that with you guys, but I have lots of goals that I'm working on, just to build up myself and to put myself in a better situation. Yeah, I also got some news from the doctor that I'm very sad about, but it is what it is. So, and then shows, guys, comment below some show recommendations so I can watch on Netflix, or maybe not, because like I should be spending that time with God, so I need to work on that. So I honestly don't know. So guys, just comment down below your favorite Bible scripture and tell me why it's your favorite, and I'll actually read all of them. Comment them down below and let me know what's popping. Okay, and I think that's it. That's all I have. There's nothing really exciting that's going on in my life. My life is pretty boring. I did swim lessons. I actually did a vlog for that day I went to swim lesson. So let me know if you want that vlog. I have like 2 or 3 videos that I need to post that I haven't like edited. I need to edit them first, then post them. But let me know if you guys want the vlog of like a day in my life when I did swim lessons and everything. If you guys want that, I'll work on it and I'll upload it. Only if you guys want it. If not, then that's fine. But yeah, that's it. I don't have anything else. Oh, my nephew's here with me and he's staying for a while, so that's exciting. Yeah, that's it. That's my life.
Stop it. Get some help.
Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this boring life update. Also, guys, comment down below any video ideas or what you want to see from me. Oh, most importantly, how can I forget the most important thing? So those are the main reasons why I haven't like been posting the way I should be. I wanted to consistently post at least 1 video per week, typically on a Sunday, but it's just a lot, and it's like I need to focus on so many things. So that's the main reason why I haven't been posting, but I'll definitely try to do better. I'm not gonna make any promises, but when I post, you'll know. I'll probably do premieres, so you guys know when I'll be posting. But other than that, yeah, I'm sorry guys, I need to be consistent, but right now I have other things to do, you know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for your continued support even in my absence. Love you guys, and that's it. So peace out, baby.